Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wizz app that is not working on your phone. So the very first thing we will do, we will go to the Play Store and on the search bar we will type Wizz and we will update the app which is the latest version of the app, right? This may fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then we will do one thing, we will click and hold, and after that we will go to the app info, and you can go to app info from the settings too. Then we will click on the storage usage, right? And here we will clear all the cache, and after clearing the cache, make sure that you reopen the app. This may fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then I'm going to show you the best solution that is definitely going to work for you, right? You have to clear the data. After clearing all the data, this will delete or unload the wasteful data that is making your app slow, that is making your app not working properly, right? So after clearing the data, make sure that you open the app once again and you have to log in into this mobile application once again, right? So this is it guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to comment down below and also like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.